So I'm here with Mr. Brian Courtney Wilson. Needs no introduction. Y'all already know who it is. Y'all know what it is. So tell me, how did you end up being here today?
Well, I was man, it's so loud, huh?
Don't worry about it. I was do it like that. That better.
I was invited by Pastor Howard to come and participate in this event, and Freezy and Flo Rida have shown great hospitality, man, since I've been here. I'm very thankful to be a part of it, and I think it's needed now more than ever, man. We're in a world that's starving for hope, starving for a reason to keep fighting, and so to be able to come and be a small part of this event, man, has meant a lot to me.
That is a recurrent theme here today, hope. People are feeling like there is no hope. So it makes me feel good as a believer when artists can come together and kind of be in the spirit and know that that's what the people need and minister that to them. So let me ask you, now you've been doing this for a long time, you're not new to this. Some of the other artists that I asked, I just wanted to know, what is it that you, when you're done ministering on stage, what is it that you want the audience to do, feel, think, be? What are you trying to leave them with?
I mean, we talked about it, but I want them to be hopeful in a way that makes them want to be faithful and do what God is calling them to do, and believe that regardless of whatever it is they're calling them to do, regardless of the fact that they may not have all the resources at hand to get it done, that they're going through some tough times right now, head hanging low, devil trying to beat them down, our enemy trying to beat them down. That God is still in their corner, God is still fighting for them, and sees them as worth fighting for, sees their struggle as worth it, so they just keep going. Like when I sing, I want people to walk away feeling empowered.
Empowered that's a good one, that's a really good word. I was speaking earlier with someone else, and you just touched on it too. A lot of times, we tell people what they should be doing, but we don't tell them how to do it. We don't tell them how to get there. We don't give them those steps. So when somebody like you comes and says you're worth me being here, somebody like you comes and says, I love you no matter what's going on, and I'm going to help you. Can you tell me a little bit more? Are there other like organizations, ministry, foundation, anything like that you have outside of your music ministry that you're doing in the community?
Well, I work as a worship pastor at a church, church there in Houston, Texas. I also serve as a worship leader during the week at St. John's United Methodist Church. That's a huge homeless ministry there. And I only say that to say that I ascribe a lot of value to what I do, because I know that the song I sing and the way I sing it sometimes can be the difference between somebody choosing life or choosing death, choosing hope or hopelessness, choosing to do the right thing or choosing to say whatever, I give up. And so that time is important with me. I also work with the American Heart Association. They have a Power to End Stroke campaign. They've asked me to come out and do some things with that particular organization, which I'm honored to do when they ask me. And then I'm a family man. I take care of my family, man. I got 2 children at home. I got my wife. And I try to just stay faithful.
That's right. That's the first ministry. That's your first ministry. And that stroke awareness, that's something that we don't talk about or think enough in our communities. And it affects us at rates that, like many other ills, disproportionate rates. And we don't know what to look for. We don't know what how to avoid it in some cases.
Right.